Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining scope and constraints, which classes you need and the minimum images per class, because class balance matters for model performance. Once done, prepare hardware and storage. Use an SSD and plan backups to avoid data loss. Make sure to set license and privacy rules early so you can legally collect images. From day one, record metadata fields, timestamp, device, location, to save rework later. This discipline speeds annotation and debugging when you train models. You now collect and organize images with diversity in mind. Vary angles, lighting, devices, and backgrounds so models generalize. As you transfer files, enforce a strict folder structure and maintain a CSV or JSON metadata file that links file names to labels and attributes. Once files are in place, run automated dedup and quality filters to remove blur, low resolution, or irrelevant content. This saves annotation time. Make sure to version datasets incrementally so you can roll back or compare experiments later. You finish by annotating with clear guidelines and example edge cases so labelers are consistent. Consistency directly impacts model accuracy. Once labeled, split into train, validation, and test sets, then export in the format your pipeline expects, COCO, Pascal VOC, or TF record, so integration is smooth. Finally, run a validation suite. Sample labels, test model input, and compute simple metrics. If problems arise, check the labeled error log first. Mislabels and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.